Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In this video we'll explore my subscription. From setting up cards to changing plans, we've got you covered. Let's get started. From homepage, you can access my subscription by clicking on the profile picture. Access your subscription details. You can view various aspects related to your account, including status, the number of users, storage capacity, and more. Add your card details. Once done, navigate to Change Plan. This page allows you to easily modify your plan, adjust your billing period, update number of users, or change storage capacity, all in just a few clicks. Explore plan features, pick the perfect fit for your business, and upgrade and downgrade effortlessly. The add-ons section showcases all available extras you can integrate into your business plan, tailored to enhance your experience. Let's take a closer look. Here's a detailed breakdown of available plans, so you can compare features and pick what works best for your business. Ready to go? Proceed to payment, select your preferred card, and you're all set. Here we go. Your billing details are displayed, review, confirm, and you are just one step away. Pay now. Complete the process. All set. You will receive a confirmation email with your invoice. Thank you for watching.